Okay, welcome back. We've previously drawn our lid and our handle. They're separate from each other at this stage, but in this video we'll join those together. And we've also drawn our pencil box. This time we're going to jump over to the assembly tab. If you don't have the tab called assembly, hit the plus sign down here and create assembly. But I've already got it, and you probably do too. First up, we're going to click the insert button, and you should see these are the names of the two tabs you've got, the lid and the pencil box. For a start, we're just going to insert the lid, and so you click on the lid here and then move over to the workspace and click somewhere to place it. We might as well do this as well. So then click on the pencil box in the dialog, then move over to the workspace and place it. Don't place it on top of that, it's going to make things really awkward for yourself, but place it over here somewhere and click. That's done now. We can tick this. We need to join these two pieces together. So this can be a little bit tricky, so if it doesn't work first go, use the undo and try again. If it doesn't work, undo, try again. I'll try and explain where the errors can happen, but honestly you're just going to have to maybe re-watch it a couple of times until you get it right. Along the top toolbars, we're looking for a thing called a fastened mate. So click that. It opens this dialog. Now I'm going to zoom in on the handle for now, and I can see a bit of my lid here. I'm going to explain something before I click anything. So we want this handle to sit on top of this lid. This edge that I'm hovering near will be touching that edge. Hopefully you agree with that. Now notice, as I hover near edges and faces, I get this weird little icon that turns up. Now that icon means something, and it's hard to explain exactly what it means, but that icon will determine how the two parts stick together. Now if I zoom in here, and I'm roughly at the middle here, and this icon either will jump on the edge or jump to the face or jump on the other edge. I'm going to want this icon to sit on this edge. Now there's two things will happen. I'm just going to leave my cursor there. That little icon, I don't know whether you can see it on mine. If you can't, maybe pause the video and zoom in, if you can, and have a look. That little icon is flat with the face. I don't want that. I actually want the icon to be as if it's encircling that edge. So I've zoomed in. Yeah, the icon doesn't get bigger. So hover over the edge. If it doesn't sit the right way, try moving your cursor down the edge, and you should be able to see it change its orientation. Click, and now we're going to zoom backwards to this other edge that it'll attach to. And again, now that icon's sitting flat. I don't want that. It's got to be sitting up on the edge. So I'm going to hover my cursor down the edge until it's sitting up in line with the front plane. I don't know how better to explain it. And click. And it should bring the two pieces together. If it didn't quite bring it together properly, a couple of little things you can try. On this dialog that will be here in front of you, try clicking flip. Did that improve it? It might have. The other thing is to try is click reorient. Now you can reorient and click. So there's a few options you can fiddle with there. If it didn't work, cancel and try it again. Where it will go wrong is how that little icon appeared when you clicked on the edge. So cancel and try again. Mine's good, so we tick. Now those two parts are joined together. It'll also automatically keep this open and thinking that you want to do another fasten mate, but we don't. One is all we need, and there it is there in the timeline. So we can cancel this one, and it should leave number 1 there. If I hover over that, it gives that little icon on my lid and handle. And that's it for this video. Remember, if it didn't work, go back, try again. Go back, try again, etc. Anyway, I'm happy with that.